Carcassonne, a fortified medieval city in the Occitanie region of southern France, is a captivating destination that transports visitors back in time to a world of cobblestone streets, imposing ramparts, and centuries-old history. The city's UNESCO-listed medieval fortress, La Cité de Carcassonne, stands as a remarkable testament to medieval architecture and offers a range of experiences that reflect its rich heritage. The iconic double-walled fortress, complete with 52 watchtowers and a drawbridge, creates a mesmerizing spectacle as it crowns the hill overlooking the modern city. Walking along the ramparts offers panoramic views of the surrounding landscape and an opportunity to immerse in the history of a bygone era. The Château Comtal, a well-preserved castle within the fortress, provides insights into the daily life of medieval nobility. Its architecture, medieval artifacts, and exhibits offer a captivating journey through time, allowing visitors to envision life within the fortress walls. The Basilica of Saint-Nazaire, a stunning Gothic cathedral within La Cité, showcases intricate stained glass windows, sculptures, and architectural details that reflect the city's religious and artistic heritage. Carcassonne's medieval streets are a delight to explore, with charming squares, timbered houses, and boutique shops that offer local crafts and products. The Place Carnot, in the heart of the city, comes alive with bustling markets, cafes, and a lively atmosphere that captures the essence of daily life. The Canal du Midi, a UNESCO-listed waterway that connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Atlantic Ocean, passes through Carcassonne. Visitors can take leisurely boat rides along the canal, immersing in the tranquil landscapes and experiencing the historical significance of this engineering marvel. Carcassonne's gastronomy reflects its regional influences, with an array of traditional dishes that highlight local ingredients. The cassoulet, a hearty bean stew with various meats, is a culinary specialty that reflects the city's rural heritage. The Festival de Carcassonne, held annually in July, transforms the city into a cultural hub with a diverse range of performances, including music, theater, dance, and visual arts. The festival's historic venues, such as the Château Comtal, provide a unique backdrop for artistic expressions. The Pont Vieux, an ancient stone bridge spanning the Aude River, is a picturesque spot for strolling, taking in the views, and appreciating the architectural beauty that defines Carcassonne. Carcassonne is a living medieval masterpiece that captivates travelers with its enchanting architecture, historical significance, and immersive experiences. Whether it's exploring the fortress, embracing the charm of its streets, savoring local cuisine, or engaging in cultural festivities, Carcassonne invites visitors to embark on a journey that captures the essence of medieval France and its enduring allure.